Feast your eyes on Gaia Iberico Bantaraz pork. This Bellota-fed pork is the pata negra, or the black pig. It is equivalent to A5 Wagyu. And in this case, you can see all this marbling is absolutely insane. You'd think this is Wagyu if it wasn't for the non-spiral pattern. Now watch as I prepare this Iberico pork for an absolutely incredible dish. Now listen up, you want to make sure you don't destroy this pork by putting any sauces or any other type of seasonings on it, just truffle, salt, and pepper. That's all I use because that fat, once it renders, and that crispy edge you're going to see me obtain, absolutely is incredible. So you don't want to destroy that flavor and taste that pork as it's meant to be tasted. I'm going ultra hot on my griddle. Do not add any oil because this has enough fat that you need. I'm using my Thermapen One because that temperature is absolutely critical. I want to get those edges nice and crispy, so I'm going to hit that with some flame. And then you want to make sure you do not go over the desired temperature, which is 135 degrees, before you take it off and let it rest, which will rise up into the 140 degree range. Perfect for Iberico pork. Let it rest for 5 minutes and then slice against the grain.
I had to break the silence on this. Oh my God, this is actually the best Iberico. I mean, it's the best Iberico I've ever had so far. Not fat, crispy, wow.
Just like A5 Wagyu, we're going to slice it into really nice strip, and look at that rendered fat and that moisture, absolutely delicious. I added some of my garlic with fried corn and put a nice shrimp cocktail on the side. Spanish shrimp with Spanish pork, absolutely scintillating.